Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I made some treat bags today using a stamp set from Kindred stamps called Your Super Stamp Set. This is a limited edition card kit from Kindred stamps. I already have my images colored and fussy cut, so all I need to do is color the white edges with black Memento marker so it will look seamless. I will only be using these 3 images today, and I can save the other images for another project. The limited edition card kit also comes with these papers. I will use 3 of these pattern papers. I will also use 3x4 Cello Bags that I got from Honeybee Stamps. I got these hand sanitizers from my local grocery stores, and I thought it's perfect to coordinate with my superhero characters. I will cut the pattern papers to 3x3 inches using my Fiskars bypass trimmer. And then I will score the cut pattern papers in half at 1.5 inches. For the sentiments, I will be using one of the sentiments from the stamp set that says, "You're a super kid." I will stamp the sentiment with Versafine Onyx black ink on a scraps of white cardstock that I have on my desk, and I will cut them to fit on the back of the treat bags. I will also add some color on the edges of the paper. I will use this red, blue, and green Memento Dewdrops ink. And I'm just doing a swiping motion to add the color on the paper. And now it's time to add my hand sanitizers inside the cello bags. These small sanitizers fits perfectly in this 3x4 cello bags. I will close the bag and add the cut pattern paper and staple it on both sides, and then add my sentiment on the back of our treat bags and add the images in front of the treat bags. Both sentiments and images are adhered with foam tape so they have dimension. And my treat bags are finished. I think these ones are good alternative to candy if you are giving away candies on Halloween. I hope you like today's project. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.